happen that you have everything which is required for the job, but still that boss also saying to you, reject. Sorry, I don't have any kind of job for you. I will tell you, I will confirm to you whenever we have need a job for you. Definitely, I will inform to you. In this time, within few seconds, what happened? They also saying to you, next time I will tell you next time. Because of when you just introduced yourself in front of anyone, you should be create positive vibes while the interview. How is it possible? It's really easy. Just try to think only 5 things which should be great in you, and definitely no one can reject you. Everyone will select you easily. To be honest, just try to do that. First thing is value of the timing. You should be know that how much time do you have to introduce yourself. Second, circumstances, needs, and what? How to impress to the boss. Fourth and fifth, what? Fifth, you don't have need any create any kind of points. Of course, fifth is yes, yes, yes. But how? When you just introduce yourself as a strong pillar introductions by you at the time, definitely you can interact, you can make a strong relationship as a good interview by your side, introductions by your side for an interview, and by that things definitely you can be selected within few seconds, 2 seconds to more. Okay, so first thing is I told you about the timing. Firstly, you have to think if you are going a job. If you are going a job, and of course there will be happened interview. How to deal with this golden opportunity as a introductions. You can influence within few seconds by introductions. So your introduction should be strong, should be positive, should be smiley, and should be no any stress on the forehead. So just try to think. Okay, timing. Now just come to the point of timing. Only 1 minute. Just try to think 60 seconds. Just try to practice at your home within 60 seconds to introduce yourself. I gonna tell you. Now I just notice a time how to introduce yourself within 60 seconds, and within 60 seconds it's really very necessary. Within 60 seconds you can impress to everyone. Hello, this is Richa Jain. I'm a teacher. I'm teaching in school, primary sector. I teach mathematics in primary sector. I have been teaching for 5 years. Currently, I'm also doing job. But I want to change my job just because of I want to create something creative. That's why I want to continue with you. I know that there is really good activity with teachers, and teacher also providing good activity to the children, as well as they also so much care to the children. So that's why I want to connect with you, because I really so much happy. First thing is that I want to help to students, because I teach to the students not as a teacher, as a good friend, so everyone can learn easily. I hope you just concern about my thoughts. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So, did you notice within 60 seconds I just proceed my interview. So, what did you notice? I tell you, within 60 seconds, what I give the messages. First thing is, I told that I want to change my job. Second thing is, I also told reason. Third thing is, I also described cause, means what is the reason that I want to change my job. Okay, and fifth thing, I also told while introducing myself that what kind of personality I have. Means I have a creativity personality. So I gonna tell to you that means by the things all positive vibes when you are describing about you one by one, and your message should given to the boss. Definitely teachers, boss should select you easily. This is the mantra to influence by the interview, and you also can select easily within 60 seconds. Okay, now we will talk about second type of interview. Suppose you have 3 minutes. This is the 60 minutes. If you don't have time, if boss also said to you that you have 60 seconds, so you have to describe about you what you are, so you just do it. Mantra is first of 60 seconds, but just see you have time, and you also can describe to yourself within 3 minutes. So this is Mrs. Richa Chan. I'm a teacher. I'm teaching in school primary sector. I teach mathematics and English as well. I'm teaching in NGO as well. I teach English speaking course in NGO. I love help. I love help to needies. I love social work. That's why I'm teaching in NGO. And that NGO is really very near by my home. Thank you. And yeah, actually I'm teaching mathematics in primary sector, and I have been teaching for 5 years in primary sector. But actually I'm really very crazy personality, iconic personality I can say about me, just because of I want to creativity. I want to create environment. I want to create as a creativity to the students while my teaching process. So in your schools, I know that you have a lot of gadgets, you have lot of tricks, you have lot of things as environment, as good environment, as good loving, good affections which you provide to the students as a parent. I really so much inspired by that things. That's why I'm here. So, and about my documents, actually I just completed my graduation in 2011 by arts stream from Delhi University. I did complete my B.Ed 2014. I'm really very happy today, but I'm really happy just because of today. Now I got a chance to interact with you. No matter that I'm able to get this job or not, but I'm really so much happy to meet as a glad personality. About my taste, actually I really so much like hot cup of tea, but my weakness, or can say bad habit, I don't like coffee. And sports, I love sports, so I love badminton. I love tennis too. Thank you. Thank you so much, and have a great good day. Sorry, what did you say? What did you say, sir? Come again. Okay. Yeah. Why I want to change my job? Just because of I want to interact with you. I want to work with you. I also can learn many things by you. That's why I want to change my job. Because my things is that I want to learn a lot of things so that of course I also can give the environment to my students as well. Within 3 minutes I just try to do myself. I just try to tell about my taste, about my bad taste, about my good taste, about my weaker point, about my intentions, about my quality, about my what I want. So, and I also praise to him indirectly. I praise to him indirectly. And yeah, so by that things you also can interact with someone. Now we will talk about third introductions. How can you describe yourself by the introductions in the friend circle? Suppose you are going into the college and someone says to you, just introduce yourself. Okay, so now just think how to reflect your personality, and after that you also can give the positive vibes by you, and by that things everyone can influence on you. Let's get started now. So this is Mrs. Richa Jain. So I'm a teacher. I'm teaching in school primary sector, and unique profession is that I also love teach to needies. No matter they want to learn what, but I am always ready to help those people. Hi, this is Richa Jain from Great India, live in Delhi. I'm a teacher. I'm teaching in school primary sector. I teach mathematics as well as I'm teaching in NGO. I teach English speaking course. And unique profession is I am YouTuber blogger. I provide motivational speech on my YouTube channel. Nowadays I am making podcast videos, so that of course I also could give the chance to everyone to tell by this platform what they want, what kind of knowledge they have. Of course by that platform they also can describe about their talent. And yeah, actually I love coffee. I love coffee, hot coffee. I really so much passionate to take coffee. And what about my sports? I'm really very crazy to play badminton. I like to play badminton. And yeah, and I'm really very crazy to maintain myself. So I like yoga, exercise, and I do meditation as well, and I also give the classes meditations. And yeah, nothing special I have, but I am fashion designer, makeup artist, candle maker, teddy bear maker, and what? Nothing any special. Chocolate maker, master chef. For that, you will have to help me to gain my fluency, to correct my pronunciation, to correct my grammar sections, and definitely I hope after that things, after getting really very good community, I can say I can I can become a good communicator, and after that I will think to become a good motivational speaker in world. So yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you so much. Oh, really, my beautiful people, thank you so much. So now come to the point what I want to tell you. When you are like circumstances, I told you timing, circumstances, situations, and needs. In interview, when you just into the school for giving your interview, so that time your introduction should be a strong and short. and your message should be included within 60 seconds. Now second is 3 minutes interview. You also can include your taste, you also can include your sports, you also can include your personality as well. Now third, when I just describe about my third interview, and the time actually I think I also took I think 3 or 4 or 5 minutes, I don't know, I didn't notice. But that interview, or you can, that introductions actually, that introductions was in the friend circles, in the family, in known persons, or in front side of unknown person. For the things, you also can make good relationship as a friendship with positive vibes when you describe yourself one by one, and after that everyone can be happy by you, because when you're just telling to yourself at the time, you were really confident, you have really great talent. No matter you have talent or not, you are keep smiling on your lip. This is really important. Means this thing is reflect that you are actually happy, you are feeling actually happy among them. So should be that things you have to concern. What kind of needs can you describe about you? So definitely just describe. Just think about according to the situations and describe about you in by introductions in the interview. That's why I just say only one thing, that we also can say that and are interview and introductions both are a best friends. If you will not give 100%, definitely you also can fail easily into the interview. But if you will give you 100% your introductions in 100% of interview, definitely you can cross every interview. Thank you so much and have a great good day. I hope you will not repeat any mistakes which you did in your life while the interview time. So just try to make a good, strong introductions by yourself, and by that things you also can make a good reflections by your sides. So thank you so much and have a great good day. Bye. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye.